Simple little test track just put together on the floor here in the lounge. Double track on one section just for passing loop. I've already tried this little loco round and he goes quite nicely, but the main reason for laying the track down was to make sure that I could run this. That's my full car setup of the BLUE Rapier train set, Class 395 Hitachi Javelin. And let's have a quick look and see how she goes. Now the Carriges have got plastic wheels on the bogies, which was a bit of a worry to me. I may have to replace them at some stage. However, they seem to be tackling the points on here quite nicely. Unless you can expect the modelling on the BLUE Rapier is not to the high standards as the train pack. But overall, I am quite pleased with the running of the unit, and the lights do come on in the correct direction. And I should assume when she runs around on the garden layout, when it's finished, no one will actually tell the difference really at distance from the full-size service when it goes from the train pack as well, which is the more detailed version. Obviously the BLUE Rapier pack doesn't come with this number of carriages, it only has one carriage. I've actually purchased another 3 carriages to add to it. So this is all going to be packed away back in its boxes again now, and hopefully next time it'll be out and running we'll be on a proper layout.